Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft account login issue on applications owned by Microsoft. According to various reports from users, whenever they are trying to log into applications like Microsoft Store, Outlook, Teams, Microsoft 365 applications, and any other application that is owned by Microsoft itself, they are seeing this error message that is, you will need the internet for this. It doesn't look like you are connected to the internet. Check your connection and try again. They are receiving this error message even when their PC is connected to stable internet connection. Well, if you are facing the same issue, then you are not alone. It's a known issue and Microsoft is aware of it. According to Microsoft, this issue started happening after installing Windows 11 KB5079473 update, that is rolled for version 25H2 and 24H2. According to Microsoft, this issue occurs when the device enters specific network connectivity state and may resolve on its own. If you encounter this issue, then only thing you need to do is just restart your device while keeping it connected to the internet. This should repair the device connectivity state and prevent the issue from occurring. But you need to keep in mind that if the device is restarted without an active internet connection, it might return to a connectivity state where the issue can occur again. So if you are facing this issue, the only thing you need to do is just restart your computer, and this is the only solution available to fix this issue as of now. Microsoft also assured that they will soon release the update to fix this issue. So in the meantime, just restart your computer and fix the issue. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you or not. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.